Hey guys, me again. I'm gonna be doing my new 2012 bike check with like new parts I got maybe 2 months ago, and I've just been too lazy to make one, so here it is. Alright, start off with the grips. I got Fit Tech grips, they're pretty good, I like them. And then Odyssey power ends, they last long, really long. And then Premium Sub 10, you got the hollow right there, and then a little cutout in the front. And then bars, I got Primo Sam Squanch, or they look like Sasquatch to me, but anyways, they're good bars because they get like tapered on the crossbar, and I like that. And then forks, I got Stolen Vortex forks, they're pretty good. And then I got like a little peg to learn hang fives, I guess. And then Stolen Revolver front complete rim that I got because my other one broke. And then I got Fit FAF 2.25 in the front, red wall. And then Kink Bike Co. headset in blue. Didn't really care about the color, but it works really good and I like it. And then the frame, I got a Stolen Cherry. Top tube I think is like 21.2, it said on the box, and then the back end's like 13.25 I think. I like it, it's pretty big. I like it. Then 75-degree head tube, all that good stuff. Then pedals, Odyssey, Twisted PC. And then Madeira Protocol cranks, I like them. Stolen Revolver bottom bracket. And then got a Tree sprocket, then Madeira, Odyssey, and then a KMC chain, the cool chain. And then got a Fit seat in vinyl instead of Kevlar. Kevlar was pretty gay looking. Then I got a Stolen Thermalite seat post, then integrated seat clamp. Fit FF again, pretty worn down, need to get a new one, like on one side. Then back I got a Primo Remix laced to a Stolen Revolver rim with Suspeme spokes, and then an FBM hub guard that I might just have to take off because I'm not running pegs right now. But anyways, I mean, hub's really good. Hasn't given me any problems except like a little creaking noises when I manual, but I'm not worried about it really. And then I guess hub sound. I like it. I'd say with like pegs and everything, it's like 24 flat, and then without pegs, it's like maybe 22, I'd say. And that's like without the hub guard and everything. Yep, and that's my bike check. Hope you like it, everyone. Goodbye.